going on YouTube? John Booter here. It's been a long time since I made a video last. I got my boys here, George and Riley. They're going to help me because we're here today to talk about some motorcycles.
Like the Harley Davidson ones?
Well, I don't know if we'll talk about Harley Davidsons, but we're going to look at them on the internet. My main point is I'm thinking about getting the 2020 Yamaha MT-03.
Oh, 11 of the big one.
There's one of those.
Oh yeah, you like those dirt bikes from Riley?
Oh, yeah.
Because you can ride them in the dirt. Vroom. Over jumps and stuff, huh?
If there's ever and the other 11 wasn't of that, you're probably gonna want to get it.
So Yamaha, they're naked bikes. They call them hyper naked. The naked means it doesn't have a fairing on them.
I know.
It's funny, right? It'd be like you're naked without clothes on.
Yeah. And it's like the drink.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like the naked juice, huh?
I don't have a diaper on or underwear.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, so they got the MT-10.
And it's not bad.
Oh,
9,
the
7,
MT-09.
and 3.
Yeah, that's right.
And if they make an 11, you're gonna want to get it.
So what do you boys think about this MT-10? I'm gonna click on it so we can see it bigger.
I
Pretty cool.
My review of it is love it.
Yeah.
Because it has 10 in it.
love it.
Yeah, I think it looks pretty awesome. Look at the headlights. People say it looks like a transformer.
Daddy, I know. So
You know what's like the same like that slam.
Let's go back. Let's go look at the MT-0. Oh my goodnesses.
9.
Yeah, 09.
Daddy, when you're making the video, are you gonna link my channel?
Sure am. This is George the Burper right here. He's got a channel too. You guys should watch him. He makes videos about games, and Riley doesn't have a channel yet, but maybe someday.
Like he's on some of my.
So this is the MT-09, boys. It's pretty cool because it's got these dual headlights that both come on while you're riding.
At night?
Well, yeah. I mean, they always stay on. Most motorcycles, they have lights that stay on while you're riding. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So cars can see you. See it spinning itself around.
Yeah. And I like it when I come. Well, I sometimes in my videos.
Yeah. Yeah, so the MT-09, it's got a 3-cylinder engine. It's a triple.
Yeah, 1 day left.
I see it.
1 day
and then
left of March.
Oh, that's right. Yeah,
I can't
tomorrow's the last day.
I can't wait till the first of the next day.
So what are you gonna do on the first again? You gonna play some pranks?
And tell lots of jokes.
Oh wow, lots of jokes. And then this one here, boys, this is the MT-07. Yeah. It's been around for quite a while. They used to call it the FC-07. They used to call these bikes FZs. Yeah, this one right here is the MT-03. That's the one I sat on when we were up in Durango. I thought it was pretty cool because it's got these kind of like 3 headlights. It's got this one bright one and then 2 little narrow ones.
Yeah, and
the wheels.
I remember you and me saw it like a video like that had all those particles.
Oh, we did watch the video. Yeah, me and George watched the video about this MT-03 when it first was gonna come out.
And plus. Go to the video. Comment down your pranks in the comments.
That's right, viewers. Just comment your pranks, especially if they're motorcycle related or coronavirus related.
And plus, there's gonna be a lot of jokes. There's gonna be a lot of jokes on my videos.
Oh wow!
Because sometimes I do jokes in my videos.
Yeah.
Knock, knock.
So this one comes with like kind of reddish orange wheels.
I said knock, knock.
Who's there?
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus who?
Coronavirus. Butt.
That's the best.
Oh, Riley, you're funny. But yeah, I like this one, boys, because it costs $4,599. It's the cheapest Yamaha MT bike.
Yeah, and it only costs $4,600.
That's right. Yeah.
So if you accidentally give 1 more cent, they'll give you a penny. It's like you give you them 10 pennies by accident. They'll give you a dime.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
Not a diamond.
And it's got the inverted fork, which is pretty nice. It's not very heavy. It's from what I read, it's got about 10 fewer horsepower than the Ninja 400 and the Z400. But you know, these bikes are not all about horsepower. They're kind of about just having fun and being lightweight and being good on gas, which from what I hear, all the Yamahas are a little bit better on gas than their Kawasaki counterparts.
Yeah, and all these naked ones, all M3 or MTs.
Yeah, that's right.
MT-03,
But they also have,
7, 9,
so these ones here, the Sport, well, it's under Super Sport on Yamaha's website, but they got this one called the R3, the YZF R3, which is got the same motor because they made the R3 for a long time, and then they just decided to make the MT-03 have the same motor as the R3. It's just a 2-cylinder.
Yeah.
I like that the R3 comes in blue.
Yeah.
It looks pretty cool.
Yeah, and I got a good joke about that.
Which one? Do you like that one, Riley?
Yeah. And I got a good joke about it.
Okay, make your joke.
It's been in water. It looks like it's been in water or not a lot.
Why?
You want to know why?
Yeah.
Cause some. What are you thinking? That's good.
Super
That's
silly.
good about it.
Who's there, Riley?
Grass.
Grass who?
Grass, you're thinking about the butt.
Okay.
About the
You
butt.
already did.
Anyway, guys,
About
yeah,
the butt.
you know, these are crazy times we live in because of the coronavirus, and they got everything shut down. It's kind of going to be hard to buy a motorcycle, but I think there are some that are still open, some dealerships, that is.
Yeah,
But not the one we go to.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one in Farmington is not open, but the one up in Durango, I think, is open, and that's the one that has the MT-03 in stock.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I decide to just get one of those, I might be able to go up and get it in Durango.
Yeah, and I may be able to like make a new video. Videos when we go to next time when you or me go to like Target or Walmart.
Yeah.
Like I can get like a Roblox toy and make
Yeah, that's a
videos.
good idea, George. Yep.
Like actual Roblox
I like
videos.
Roblox too.
Like
You do like Roblox.
videos.
I like
and
the
and I can do like what? And
I
what I can use like and what I can do.
I thought this was a video about motorcycles,
I know.
George. So what are you boys' favorite motorcycles?
Africa Twin.
Ah,
It's red.
yeah. What about yours, Riley?
When I first saw it, it was
one.
red.
The blue one?
Huh?
The R3 is your new favorite motorcycle? Wow. Riley sure used to like the Goldwing. Got a couple of Honda boys here. I drive a Honda car, but you know, it's old. And I had to give up my F-150 because we needed more seat belts to fit the whole family, so we got a Chevy Traverse.
Yeah.
I don't have a truck anymore. So I got the car, but I'm kind of wanting a motorcycle again because I can make videos about it and I can save gas. I do have a car, but the R3 or the MT-03, they both get 56 miles per gallon. You could probably get even more than that if you ride really slowly and carefully.
And if you ever like find someone who has like a higher motorcycle than yours, then you can race them.
Yeah, I would probably lose. I don't think the MT-03 or the R3 are going to win too many races, but it's not about that. Not about the straight line speed.
Only the other one.
Yeah, there's some fast, like the MT-10. I got to ride that when we were in Las Vegas. We did the demo ride. That was a heck of a fast, fun motorcycle.
If they'll ever make an 11, it will be 1% faster than the 10.
Yeah, it might be.
Like,
if not, maybe
like
more than 1%.
Like 11%.
The 10
And it goes
motorcycle is the one that.
And doesn't it look like I'm riding a motorcycle?
Oh, kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys think I should buy. I know like the Ninja 400 and the Z400 are kind of like the default choice because they're about the most power and power to weight ratio you can get on one of those cheaper bikes.
Yeah, and they're kind of cool.
They are really cool, but I don't know. I got to ride the Ninja 400 briefly.
Yeah.
I can't say that it was slow. It wasn't really slow. I got it up.
It was kind of slow.
Oh, I mean, it's slower than some motorcycles, but it got up to, you know, highway speeds with no problem at all. And it's really lightweight. And I'm sure it's well made and reliable and all that. The seat wasn't very comfortable. I didn't really like the engine sound.
I do.
Do you? Well, I haven't gotten to hear either the R3 or the MT-03 sound, but I think that the Yamaha engines sound a little bit better.
Well, you got to hear the MT-10.
I did, and you know what? The MT-10 just sounds amazing. I don't think there's very many motorcycles that sound better than the MT-10, but
if we ever make an 11,
The
that would be
MT-8.
better.
it would be better. Yeah, MT-11. You heard it right here. It's gonna be better. Most bestest.
Yeah.
Says George the Burper.
Yeah, and it has to be made.
It has to be made, Yamaha. You got to make the MT-11. I tell you.
No.
So anyway,
Leon said no.
They're probably gonna make like lots of Yamaha ads for that.
yeah.
About it.
So guys, I think we talked about a little of everything, but the main thing is I'm just kind of trying to figure out.
Like what
I
motorcycle
think
you
the
should
my favorite bikes that I've ridden overall have probably been BMWs, but I don't know if I've got the wallet for BMW maintenance and repair costs, and plus the nearest BMW dealer's down there in Albuquerque. That's pretty far from us. We're up in Farmington, New Mexico now. We're not in San Diego no more.
buy. Yeah,
And
not in
They got-
Oklahoma.
that's right. We're not in Oklahoma. We're not in San Diego. We're just back in New Mexico where I grew up.
Yeah.
So, anyways, even though I really sure like the heck out of the BMW bikes, I don't know. I think I should go with something a little more mainstream and, budget friendly, like the MT-03 or maybe the Ninja 400. I could be swayed towards it because I like green. Riley here loves green a lot. I also like green.
Yeah, I do too.
You do? I thought, well, George's favorite color is red.
And my favorite kind of green is your car's kind of green.
That's right. My car is dark green.
And that's my
So
favorite
that's,
kind of green.
that's a good thing about Kawasaki's is most of them come in green.
No.
And
Also,
and some no.
yeah.
Yeah, some of them don't.
Yeah,
but some
well,
of them do.
if you get like
Some
a
are
green,
going red.
if you come in a green, if you get a green, you should go get it spray painted a little black, like a little black
Yeah.
all over it, so it can be dark green.
Mhm.
Red.
You know, I had an idea to make this video a little less boring for our readers. I think I'll put some overlay of text of the specs of these motorcycles and maybe some pictures like overlay in the video because we're just here chatting, which is cool.
Yeah.
But
I like when like that part of the coronavirus joke that I made. You
yeah,
should put like somebody who has it.
yeah, boys, I know it's kind of funny, but it wouldn't be very funny if we caught it. You know, it's one of those things that kind of stops being funny if you catch it. But
Yeah.
anyways,
Never zooming in.
yeah. All right, well, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Who wants to do the honors of stopping the video, boys? George is closest and has the longest arms.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff.
Yeah, and even leave you the stuff that we started like earlier in the video. And
Yeah.
make sure to visit my channel.
Yes.